Okay guys, this time we will open the packages again. What is the packages is this is Ginkgo biloba. Baby size, have a leaf 4 and 5. Let's go. This is an unboxing video too, so that if something happen, this video can be claimed again. This video is my proof to claim if something happen. Let's open gently. Okay. I don't know how to open a plants before. I tried to open normally, like the other thing. This is moment of truth. Voila! Oh, like this. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me open this first. Okay, it's very small. Okay, this is the plant. It's very small, with some soil, with a little soil. This is a plant, Ginkgo biloba, 4 until 5 leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.